Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a WhatsApp group link so you can easily add members to your group. This is perfect for coordinating with friends, family, or team members without sharing personal contacts. On the WhatsApp dashboard, we will click the plus sign to create a group. We will then be creating a group and selecting members. We will be selecting the members we want to add and then clicking Next. Once that's done, we just need to enter the group name and click Next. Now our group is ready. To get the link, we select this option and continue. We then scroll down to the bottom until we see the link. This is the Invite to Group option, where we can invite people via link. We simply copy this link and send it to whoever we want to invite, so they can join the group directly on WhatsApp. And that's how we create a WhatsApp group link in just a few simple steps.